You know what's crazy? There was a time I was uploading video every single day, trying trends, copying what the big guys were doing, tweaking thumbnails, watching every YouTube guru out there. And guess what? Nothing happened. Every video felt like I went straight into the void. 100 views, maybe 120 on a better day. No momentum, no growth, just stuck. And for the longest time, I thought the problem was me. Like maybe I wasn't entertaining enough, or maybe my ideas were not good enough. But then I found out something that blew up my mind. It wasn't the content, it wasn't even the algorithm. It was a hiding mistake that nearly every YouTube creator makes. I call it the invisible strategy. Because once I changed this one thing, YouTube started pushing my videos out like crazy, and that's how I started getting steady increasing in views and monetize my channel, and today having over 8 million of views. So let me break down for you, because this might be the reason why your channel hasn't blown up yet. So here's what's really going on. Most more creators post all over the place. One day is tech review, the next day is productivity hack, then a money making tip. No real direction. And YouTube, it looks at your channel like, who is this even for? That's the problem. YouTube doesn't grow random channels. It grows channels that attract specific viewers. So if the algorithm doesn't know if your content is for, it doesn't know where to push it. So your videos just sit there floating, buried. So this realization hit me hard, because I realized that I wasn't making videos for anyone. I was just making videos and hoping something would work. But hope is not strategy. So how I fixed it, let me show you exactly how I did it. So here's what finally worked for me, and it's that simple once you see it. It's called content positioning, and it's built on just 3 steps. Pick one audience, be laser specific, train the algorithm with repeating content, hack the recommendation loop so YouTube does the work. So now let's talk like friends, and I'll walk you through step by step, one by one. Think of your channel like restaurant. If people walks in, they want to know what is on the menu. You can't be a pizza place, a sushi bar, and a coffee shop at the same time. You confuse people and the algorithm. So pick your person. Are you helping broke students to make money online? Are you teaching busy mom how to start a side hustle? Are you guiding complete beginners through YouTube growth? You need to be clear on who you are talking to and what problem you are helping them to solve. And once you figure this out, everything becomes easier. Not easy, but easier. Your topics, your title, your thumbnails all speak to the right people, not a random one which will kill your CTR click-through rate. And once you target the right audience on YouTube, boom, you've cracked the code of the recommendation. That's the secret of recommendation on YouTube. Just target the right audience. Get some of them and YouTube will do the rest. The step number 2 is to train the algorithm. Repeat one type of content. Here is where it gets tactical. Once you know your audience, you gotta give YouTube a clear signal, and that means to post at least 10 videos around the same topic. Yes, 10 at least, not to say 50. Think of it like this. You are feeding YouTube clues, and once it sees the pattern, it starts recommending your video to more people who like that stuff. So you are not guessing anymore, you are building the blueprint that you see the algorithm who to serve your video to. And that's how you get the maximum recommendation as possible. It's like a snowball. This is how it starts rolling. Step 3, hack the recommendation loop. Make YouTube work for you. Now this is where things get spicy. Most people focus so hard on search, but 80% of viral growth comes from YouTube suggesting. That's where YouTube gets your video on their homepage or sidebars. So how do you get in there? At the end of your video, tell people what to watch next. That's very important, because people think the algorithm doesn't know when you have end screen or not. It knows everything, and a business on YouTube is based on a watch time. So if you optimize your YouTube video to maximize the watch time on your channel, YouTube will push your video more, because it knows if people click and watch, they are more likely to click on the next video and to watch more video. So don't hesitate to put end screen on each of your videos. And that's the golden ticket, because when people binge watch your video, this sends a signal to the YouTube algorithm, and YouTube will push your video to more people. So if this video helped you, stick around, because the next video I will be breaking down another algorithm secret that no one talks about. These are complete game changer secrets, and trust me, you won't wanna miss it.